Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a column in Airtable. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to expand your database and track additional information as your project grows. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Airtable workspace where all your bases are stored. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your available bases displayed. Simply click on the base or data table where you want to add your new column. This will open up that specific base and show you the existing structure with all your current columns and records. Now, look at your table structure. Navigate to the very last column in your view. Right after your last existing column, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is the gateway to adding new fields to your Airtable base, and it's where you'll define what type of data you want to collect. When you click the plus icon, a menu will appear showing you all the different field types you can add. Airtable offers a variety of options, including link to another record, single-line text, long text, attachment, checkbox, and many more. Each field type serves a different purpose, so choosing the right one depends on what kind of information you need to track. For this example, we'll choose checkbox. The checkbox field type is particularly useful when you need to track yes or no status, completion states, or any binary information. Simply click on checkbox from the list of options. After selecting your field type, you'll be prompted to name your new column. This is where you define what this column will represent in your database. For this example, we'll use assigned as the name for our checkbox column. This makes it clear that this column will track whether something has been assigned or not. Once you've typed in your column name, click Create Field. This action finalizes the addition of your new column to the base. And there you go, you've successfully added a new column to your Airtable base. The new column will now appear in your table and you can start using it immediately to track the information you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.